Hi, welcome to the Media Night. Right, so today I'll be continuing my tutorial series where I told us I'll be giving us a tutorials on how to connect your phone camera to Vmix. Right, so today I'll be taking us on that series, and we are going to be using Droidcam. There are different software that you can use, right, to synchronize your phone camera with Vmix or your system. Right, advantage is Droidcam as for that software is that it can literally cover large span area, and also it is user friendly. There are other softwares like iron cam, webcam. I mean, there are other cams, right? But I love Droidcam. I have iron cam that I normally use, but for the moment I'm going to take us on Droidcam and your system, right? Especially using Vmix for your own broadcasting, right? So let's log in. First of all, we are going to first of all connect our system to an internet source. We go over to Chrome. We search for Droidcam. After searching for Droidcam, we make sure that we download the software into our system and install it in our system. When we are done installing it, we go ahead and open Droidcam in our system. Now this is Droidcam. When we are done opening Droidcam in our system, we go back to our phone, do the same thing, go and install Droidcam maybe from Play Store, Apple Store, any store, right? Samsung Store, sorry, Galaxy Store, and get it installed into your phone. When you install it in your phone, you can literally connect it by using the device IP address. Now make sure that the device IP address in your system is the same IP address in your phone. Like mine now, since I've used it before, it is the same, right? So I'm going to go ahead and start the video, right? So this is showing in my phone. This stuff is showing in my phone camera. This is what my camera is capturing from my phone, right? So it has now appeared on my system. Now I'm going to go ahead and open Vmix. Open Vmix. Since it is a camera, I'm going to add it as a camera to Vmix. So I'm going to go to add input. When I go to add input, out of the dialog box that appears, I'm going to go to camera because it is a camera, right? I'm going to click on camera. Now I'm going to search for the source. We have different sources here. We have sample inputs, Droidcam source 2, Droidcam source 3, Iron Cam, OBS visual camera. But I'm using Droidcam source 2, so I'm going to choose Droidcam source 2. Click it, then click on OK. All right. Now it has been added to your Vmix, right? So you can actually use your phone, go to any area around your location, and you can project whatever you want to project, do your broadcasting and every other stuff, right? Then you can actually add other things if you want to add. So even if you are in a church gathering and you want to do a little video coverage, you can actually use your phone and connect it. Now also you can actually connect more than two phones. So far as all the phones you're going to use are being connected to one hotspot, right? You good to go. Remember, you are connecting your phone to the same hotspot your system is being connected to, right? For easy synchronization, right? So when you get another phone, all you need to do is open Droidcam again. It's going to be kind of two Droidcams. Open another one, right? Open another Droidcam. Then do the same procedure. Make sure the device IP address is the same IP address on your phone. Then come over here, right? Come to add input, go to camera again. Then you see another source like this one. There is a source 2, there is a source 3. If I have a third phone I'm connecting, I'll use source 3. If you have another phone that you want to connect, you can use the next source, right? So I'll be using source 3. Click on source 3, click OK. It will now appear on your input box here. They can now actually use two phones, be switching up and down to do your video coverage, right? You can actually use this for your home studio coverage. You want to create a studio in your room, I'm sure use your phone to do maybe a church service, a conference, anything you want to do. So far, it's a camera. Android phone, you can actually use your iPhones, any kind of phones. Just make sure that phone has a good camera quality and you're good to go. Next time, I'm going to be using Iron Cam. I'm going to show you how Iron Cam actually works. Right, stay tuned.